How to decline a payment on PayPal. So first you got to go to paypal.com and then sign into your account. Now you will need to click on activity button from the top bar here. And then you will have to look for any pending payment that is unclaimed or a transaction that is pending and unclaimed. And once you find it, you can simply click on the transaction. And from there, you should be able to accept it or decline it and cancel it if it's available. Usually this is only available for pending or unclaimed payments. And once the payment is completed, you won't be able to do that. But if the payment is completed and you want to basically reverse it back, you can simply click on the transaction and just refund it to the seller. So for example, this one right here. Under the transaction here, you should find this refund this payment button. And if you still can't cancel it, you can click on this button here and it will refund the total payment to the sender. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.